beginner level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Walk forward, right, left, right. Hitch, left knee up and slap, knee with right hand. Hitch, snap. Walk back, left, right, left. Stop, right, next to left. Section 2. Heel together. Tap right heel forward, step right next to left. Tap left heel forward, step left next to right. Heel, toes, point. Tap right heel forward, touch right toes back, point right to right with straight leg. Flick right leg behind left knee and snap foot with left hand. So the flick, snap. Section 3, side together, side touch. That's a right basic touch. And then side touch, side touch. Section 4, basic quarter to left touch. Left foot, side together, make a quarter left turn, stepping forward, left foot facing 9. Touch right next to left. Side touch, step right to right side, touch left next to right. Step left to left side, touch right next to left. Here we have the option. Instead of doing a basic right touch, you may do a vine right touch, side behind side touch, and then a left side touch, right side touch. Again, option, instead of a basic left touch, you may do a vine left with a quarter turn touch. Side behind, quarter left for left foot, touch right next to left, facing 9. And then right side touch, left side touch. Let's do the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Option for section 3 and section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, as a restart, during wall 5 after 16 counts, with step change on count 16. I'm facing 12 now. Wall 5 starts facing 12. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count 8, step change. Instead of flicking right behind, hitch right and snap with left hand on the right knee.